Hi everyone! Now we're gonna use the vanishing point tool with the text. Let's open this file. You can find the link below the video. So this is the road, and our goal here is to create a perspective text effect right onto the road. Let's grab the type tool and create a sign. Have a good way. Let's change the size. Okay. And the color. Let's make it white. If we need to move the text to the next line, we need just press Shift and Enter. Have a Shift Enter. Good. Shift Enter. Way. And let's align it in the center. So let's convert the text to smart object. Convert the smart object, and now we've got the good quality. And now we need to select only this text. The faster way to select only the objects of one layer is to hold Command or Control and see that we've got an icon onto the mouse. That means, do you want to select all the stuff into this layer? It even looks like a rectangular marquee tool. Okay, Command and click onto the layer, and the text is being selected. Now we copy that by Command and Control C, and after let's turn this layer off and deselect all of this by pressing Command and Control G. And now we're going to create a new layer by clicking on this plus, and we go to the vanishing point. We can find it really fast if we go to the Help tab and just type vanishing point. Wow, amazing! It was there, right over here. Filter, vanishing point. And let's just zoom it. Just click on this icon. And after that, we just need to create a plane right onto the road. And now we press Command Control V, and let's change the size, Command T, because we have the low quality image and we need to change the size with Shift. Let's change the size and place it right over here. And after we've done, we just hit OK. Let's change the size and commit it. So now let's just make it more realistic just by playing with blending modes. Okay, my suggestion here is to select Soft Light. And let's have this layer one more time. Command J. And let's change the opacity. Let's zoom in. It's okay, but that was a long way to make it realistic. Let me show you the better option called Blend If. Let's undo the last action to the point when we finished with the vanishing point. And now, when we are on this layer, we click on FX and select blending options. And here we need an underlying layer. If we hold Alt or Option, we can break this arrow into two arrows, and let's just separate them and drag it to the right. And you will see how the text is changing, and that's even better than we used blending modes. So about Blend If. In short, it's a tool that allows you to delete some pixels from the layer. Here we've got gray and underlying layer. On the left hand, we've got black color, and white color is on the right hand. If we drag this arrow to the right, the Blend If is deleting black pixels from the underlying layer, from the road layer, which is actually black. That means we can get the same effect if we go another way. Let's press Alt or Option and separate these arrows. And by simply dragging, we're deleting white pixels from the upper layer with the text. The same job with the colored images. There are several options to get rid of colored pixels. So let's hit OK. So it's good, but wouldn't it just be nicer if these yellow lines were gone? Let's copy this background layer by Command J and just turn this layer off And by simply using the spot healing brush, we can hide this yellow line. By simply dragging on that, we can make it clean. Photoshop uses the rest of the image to figure out what it should actually be filling in that place. So we've done, turn this on, and in the next video we're gonna change the reality. See you in the next video.